Pira. Today I will tell you about falling turnover at Discover Coffee. A decrease in turnover is condition when the revenue or income of a business, such as cafe, decrease compared to the previous period. Turnover, also known as gross revenue, refers to total sales on total sales obtained before deducting costs and other expenses. A decrease in turnover can result from a variety of factors, both external and internal, that inhibit customer purchasing power, interest in product or service, or the effectiveness of the business operation itself. Before discussing why there is the decrease in turnover and what the solution is, let's discuss the turnover of fine coffee in each month from the beginning to this month. In recent months, a number of coffee shops in Bogor City have reported a significant decline in their sales turnover. This phenomenon is an indication of weakening purchasing power amid increasingly complex economic challenge. Some businesses report that although the number of visitors remains stable, the average purchase per customer decreased. This indicates a change in the consumption patterns of people who are more cautious in their spending. In addition, first competition with the emergence of new coffee shops has also put pressure on the revenue of established business, such as Temukan Coffee. Temukan Coffee was established in March 2024. In the first, second, third month, it was very crowded because Temukan Coffee is a brand. So far, some people are already familiar with this cafe. At the beginning of opening until the third month, the turnover was quite good and stable, approximately per day, weekday at 5 million rupiah and weekend 15 million rupiah. In June, the turnover began to decline, weekday only 1 until 3 million and weekend only 5 until 8 million. This can happen in any coffee shop because it is undeniable that today children only follow trends where the crowded, but the customer who survive might be due to good products or service. Have tried several solutions such as holding live music, Bogoran event, music event, but turnover has not reached the initial target. In an interview with a coffee shop owner in Bogor, he expressed his concern.
We try to survive by offering various promos and new menus, but the impact is still felt. Operating costs continue to rise, while profit margin are getting thinner.
Some of the reasons for the decline in turnover include unattractive ambience. This can happen if a venue is boring within day and age. Gen Z are looking for cafes that are highly Instagrammable, declining service or product quality. If the product or service offered do not meet customer expectation, they are likely to stop buying, which can lead to a decline in turnover. Lack of innovation or promotion. If the cafe does not innovate on the menu or is not active in promotion, customer might feel bored and move on to the other more attractive place. Increased competition. If there are more new cafe opening up around the cafe's location, customers might switch to other place, especially if competitors offer cheaper price or more attractive menu. Increased price of raw materials such as coffee, milk, and sugar, as well as increased operational costs due to inflation. How can you stabilize or increase your revenue? Let's discuss the solution. In order to increase turnover again, there are several strategies that must be tried. Improve menu and variety. Providing unique and interesting menu options for customers can increase the appeal of a cafe. Try to come up with the innovation in the menu, such as a seasonal menu, healthy food, or contemporary drinks. Use promotion such as first purchase discount, bundling package, or loyalty programs. Loyalty programs such as stamp card or coin that can be exchanged for discount can also attract return customers. Be active on social media. Use platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook to promote your cafe. Sharing interesting photo of the menus, cafe atmosphere, or customer testimony can attract a lot of attention. Improve customer experience. Create a cozy and inviting atmosphere at the cafe. Aesthetic decoration, friendly service, and a cozy atmosphere will make customers feel at home and come back for more. Special event and live music. Organizing special events such as musical performance, time night, or community event can attract a large crowd. In terms of the economy, a decline in turnover in this sector can have a wide impact. The coffee industry is one of the economic drivers. The involves money supply chain ranging from coffee farms, producers, to works in coffee shops. If this trend continues, it is possible that there will be labor reduction or business closure, which in turn will worsen the unemployment rate. In the midst of this situation, coffee shop operators hope that innovation and adaptation remains key for business to face this uncertain economic challenge. That's all my report, Nadira Shivafrana. Thank you very much.